say that. I know you.
Try to hold my belly in as long as possible. It's challenging. I don't speak much, you know why.
Yeah.
Alright, come on up here. How you holding up today?
Not very good.
Why not?
Well, earlier this morning, I sit with my back up against the couch,
Yeah.
and then my legs stretched out to stretch, I guess, hamstrings.
Right.
Because I can't really bend, so I have to bring my legs up, so
Yeah.
to be able to stretch. And I bent over, like I stretched backwards, like with my arms up,
Right.
and it popped like super big time in my thoracic. Like I've never had it pop where it did, but it was loud enough that Baloo woke up from his nap, his deep slumber.
Nice.
But it's felt weird ever since then. It didn't hurt at all. It just feels really weird.
A little bit.
A little bit. Might as well too, since.
Yeah. And which location did you do on each side?
We did her L5 on the first adjustment, then there's S2, the sacrotubercle, on her low back on this end.
Okay.
And all we're doing here is a little traction, a little pressure off. And she does better with just a little light pressure versus really going hard. We found that out. Try to go lighter than too much. That's what I've worn down at that time, so
Yeah.
that's why she was probably scared to death.
I know. I didn't want to tell her
I
that
don't want to put
I
on.
almost hit you, or I did hit you.
So look, go as hard as you can.
Yeah.
Like reed salt.
What are you going to do without 2 weeks of Jess's laughter?
I don't know. It's gonna be lonely in here. 2 weeks, huh?
Yeah.
When does it start?
Next Wednesday. So, are you gonna come in on Tuesday, Jess? Before we go?
I don't know. What time are we leaving Wednesday?
I've got to double check.
I will decide after I know that.
You're flying. So
Yeah.
she'll come see me.
Definitely.
She'll come see me.
And I'm gonna stop in like right before coming Tuesday.
Really dangerous. You just don't run the paparazzi out of here. You always want to see the famous chiropractor. There it is. Yeah, you were right today.
Yeah, very.
Hope you got good stereo sound there.
Yeah.
Since you're here, I'm sure you want to see this part.
Yeah.
Good
Might
calls.
as well.
Oh, very nice. There we go. Very good.
I don't know. You're making faces at me.
Gone in 60 seconds.